Guys, it's me, Jordan. And it's me, Skylar. And we are the Sweet and Sassy Science Sisters. Today we will be using science to make my favorite ice cream. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. Sprinkles too. This experiment we will be using a gallon-sized bag, a quarter-sized bag, ice, half and half, sugar, rock salt or ice cream salt, and vanilla extract. Safety first! What you need to do is add ice to the halfway mark in the gallon-sized bag. Already done. The next thing we need to do is add the ice cream salt into the gallon. Ready? Will you do the honors? Okay. Pour it. There ain't nowhere else. Okay. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, now what's that? Now we're gonna zip it up and push it to the side. Now we are going to get our quarter-sized bag and then pour in the half and half. So you want to hold it because I can pour it in. Okay. No, it's not. Okay. The next thing we need to do is add the sugar into the quarter-sized bag to make our second mixture. Oops, you wasted some. I wasted one bit. Okay. The next one, we're going to add in the vanilla extract. You wasted it. Oh, you did it. Okay. Okay. And our mom has prepared some topping. Now we are gonna put this bag into the other bag. And we're gonna shake, shake, shake. And now let's see it. Come on, baby, put it in. Okay, it's pretty good in there. Okay, now we gotta put all these things on there. Make sure there's no air. There is no air. Now I'm gonna shake first. Yeah. You're getting water everywhere where I'm. You go. Okay, keep going. 3, 4. You have to shake it. I don't like it. I won't shake it. Done. Well, our bag busted, so we need to use a bowl. So let's keep checking. Having a lot of time though. Okay, where's the opening? Oh gosh, look how good. Wait, this looks frozen. Whoa! Oh, good. It looks so good.
Right, I
Okay, this is the finished product. Now it's time to get on. Okay, this is the inside of it. It looks like ice cream.
Let me see. Get your. I just want to taste it.
Nope. I'm going to get the
Toppings?
quickly before our ice cream melts.
Hey, you know what? I love yours too.
They're M&Ms, and I can just pass them. Okay. Now it's time to get our bowls.
Thank you, Zach.
And scoop some ice cream out. Ice cream, ice cream.
Ow. Thank you.
Ice cream, ice cream. You don't really need this thing. Just kind of slow set it out. With this type of ice cream, it's homemade, and you don't really need to use this side.
You gonna give me some?
Yes, I'm just trying to get a little more. Okay. Towel. I need a towel. I want this. It's my favorite.
We are at Mommy Mackey's and Sissy Minky. Okay, now I'm getting this.
Okay, you ready to try it, Jordan?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Really good. Really good. It's a little different than regular ice cream, but it's super good.
Yeah, this is actually really good. Mmm. This is just really good. Thank you for tuning into our show.
Like and subscribe to our channel. The first person who answers all the ingredients that we use today will get a special shout out in the next video. Bye.